guys, welcome back to Two Guys Kitchen, and we're back at the lake house. I'm Rob, and of course Max is behind the camera, and today we're going to do the best muffin pizza recipe that you've ever had.
The best?
Yes, the best.
Oh, come on.
So I'm hyping it up a little bit, but obviously a lot of people have had it, maybe growing up, maybe you had it on a budget, like I have. And of course, it's something that's stuck with me forever. It's just a super simple recipe, and I want to show you right now. So let's go. Okay, now we're back. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these little muffins. There's Thomas English muffins, and you just put them on the cookie sheet. We're just doing a couple of them for today for a little example. But you can't put them in the toaster, or in this case what we're going to do is we're just going to toast them in the oven. We're going to do 375 for about 3-4 minutes, and that's pretty much it. So let's drop them in, and we'll be right back with you. Alright, so right now we're using some Barilla roasted garlic. It's one of my favorites. Now I know Max likes to use more of a traditional pizza sauce because there's less water.
Correct.
So that's so basically with the pizza sauce or pasta sauce, whatever you want to use, whatever's cheaper in some cases. You're just going to put this on a 2 or 3, just maybe get a little simmer. And then we're going to pull out these muffins that we put in just a few minutes ago. And they're nice and toasty, as you can see, just a little firm. You don't want to get them too overcooked because we're going to be cooking them again. So drop them there. And then what we're going to do now is I'm going to take my pizza cutter. And this is a trick I showed you, I don't know, a couple videos ago. You're going to roll up your basil. Here, just put the basil over here. I'm just going to drop that there. I'm going to run that through there. Get a couple of nice slices of basil. All right, and this goes really good with the pizza sauce, the garlic pizza sauce. Now we have obviously some mozzarella cheese, and what we're going to do that is obviously that's going to be the topping of these little muffins. So what we're going to do now is take these muffins, and we're going to just scoop in a little pasta sauce. Don't get too liberal with it. You want to keep it a little bit thin, because if you get too, and then it gets a little messy, and all you're going to eat is sauce. All right, so you just drop this in there, a couple there, spread it around, nice and easy. All right. And then what we're doing here, one more. Oops, get a little bit more in there. All right. Okay, so turn that off. Put that there. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take our tray here, and we're going to garnish it with some basil. We're going to put the basil right on top. See, put it right on there. Goes really good with that garlic taste from the pizza sauce. All right, and just put a little bit there. All right, and then we're get the last ones there. You got like, all right. Then you just top it with some cheese. Super simple. All right, and then get this all done here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the oven for a couple, like, I don't know, probably about 10 minutes at a low 375. So what we're going to do is pop it in the oven.
375 is not very low.
All right, well, that's low to me.
For those of you who cook at 600 degrees, okay.
So, all right, 350, 375. I'm not, it's not my oven. I don't know. Your 375 is different than my 375. So anyways, we'll be right back with you in about 10 minutes. And if you're doing it at 350, maybe 12 minutes. Here we go. Okay guys, so it's been 10 minutes exactly, 375. So let's check it out. Woo, nice and hot. All right, so look at these babies. Obviously that one could have used a little bit more cheese, but hey, for those that are lactose or something, there you go. So anyways, so that's our tip and trick of the day. Just wanted to show you something super easy. Obviously, these are great for little hors d'oeuvres or whatever, but I've eaten them for dinner. So, you know, hopefully you guys like the tip, and we're going to see you next week. So don't forget to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. We're there. So we'll catch you later.